In this video, I'm going to explain how to create your own collection. I'm looking at the Desmos homepage, and on the left-hand side under your activities is the collections link. Collections are also known as folders. It's a way of organizing your activities within the Desmos platform. I have lots of collections, but I'm going to add another one. And so to do that, I am going to click on New Collection. And I will title it Demo 2. And if I choose, I can change the color of this collection. Underneath, I have two different sharing options. I can select the one with the link, or I can make it private. Even if you select the one with the link, no one can see your collection until you actually copy and share that link with another person. Underneath, you can add a description, and you have some options for formatting. So I like what I have. I'm going to create a new collection, and it is in alphabetical order. So here is my Demo 2 collection that I just created, and you can see that it is created by me, and I have 0 activities in it. The jelly beans on the right-hand side allow me to edit the collection, share the collection with someone, or delete it if this is not what I was looking for. Under Custom, I do have a demo activity that I want to put in my collection. I can do this a few different ways. One is this plus button. I can click on it and it says Add to Collections, and I can scroll down and select the collection that I want to place that activity in. If I click on that activity and open it to this view, I have the same option because here's that icon with the plus sign. Click, and I can see the same pop-up. And I can select Demo 2. And so I have just tagged this activity to the collection titled Demo 2. I can actually tag it with additional collections as well. So this activity will be found in 2 different collections, Trainings and Demo 2. If you are not looking, if you don't see a collection that your activity will fit into nicely, you can always make a new collection right on the spot. Clicking the tagging brings you right to that collection, and you can see under Demo 2, I have 1 activity now, and it is titled Demo. And to see the full list of your collections, always go to the left-hand side, click on the collections link, and then scroll down to the collection of your choosing. And again, you can see Demo 2 created by me, and now I have 1 activity.